and welcome to the GMAP training video series. My name is Erin Sedeth and I'm the branch manager for the Title I Part A Support and Improvement branch at the Kentucky Department of Education. This video includes instruction on the school personnel and program description page in GMAP. Once again, I've logged into our GMAP test site as a test district for this demonstration. After logging into GMAP, I navigated to the current consolidated application and selected the school personnel and program description page from the sections page, both of which are covered in our general overview and tips video in the GMAP training video series. This page documents the Title I funded personnel working at each school served with the Title I allocation, both targeted assistance schools and school-wide programs, as well as a brief description of the program being implemented at each targeted assistance school. Every public school receiving Title I funds must be included on this page. Select School from the drop-down menu and enter the head count and FTE for each Title I funded staff member working only at that school. Remember, head count represents the number of staff members and must always be a whole number. FTE represents the percentage of each person's salary that is paid through Title I. The FTE does not have to be a whole number, but it must be less than or equal to the headcount number. The most common staff positions are funded through Title I are already listed on the page: teachers, paraprofessionals, instructional facilitators, resource specialists, guidance counselors, and parent involvement liaisons. If the position you are funding is not listed on the page, please use the other columns and provide the position title here. Do not enter 0 in any fields meant to be empty, as this may create an error within the system. You'll just leave those blank if you're not funding any positions through Title I for that school. This process should be repeated for all public schools receiving services. Click Add Row to add space for each school, even if the school is not paying for personnel using Title I funds. And for schools operating a targeted assistance program, in the box on the far right, describe how the school will identify those students most in need of targeted assistance services. School descriptions are not required for schools operating school-wide programs. As always, remember to use the Save and Go To tool to save your work before navigating to another page. Thank you for watching the GMAP training video series.